Imagine making as much as $500 a day, even as a beginner. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 steps how you can get started right now and make more money. Step number 1, you gotta sign up, create an account. Simple. Go to upwork.com, type in your name, your email, select freelancer, accept the terms and condition, hit that green button, and voila, you have your account. You can get started. Step number 2, super important, create a profile. Now this is the first thing that clients see. Just like dating, you want to create an amazing first impression, and that needs to be done within seconds. So what not to do is to make it super short, to have a blurry picture or a picture at a holiday somewhere. What you do instead is, first of all, have a nice professional picture with a neutral background, nothing too busy, and good lighting on your face. The next thing is you have at least 10 skills, things that you're good at doing and that you can help your client with. Don't be shy. Make a good, clear description of what you can do for them. Treat your profile as your resume because it's what they see and it gives your client way more information about yourself and your experiences. Make sure to show work examples to create a nice portfolio. Even if you have no experience on Upwork and you have no clients on Upwork, you can show your work. You can show images, logos, designs, things that you have created, show it on your profile so that clients can see what experience you have and what skills you're good at. Step number 3 is fun. You search for jobs and you start applying. So you type in, for example, writing or writing blogs. You scroll down, you look at all the jobs that are out there that you feel a fit for, and then you apply. Now, applying is the same as submitting a proposal. Submitting a proposal is the same as writing a cover letter. Now, what you don't do in a cover letter is create the copy of your profile. Duh, they've seen that already. What you don't do is talk about you or make it super short. No, instead, what you do is make it about them. There is a huge rule to always keep in mind, WIIFT, what's in it for them? And make it personalized. Look at the job they're listing. Look at all the words they're using. What are they asking for? What are they needing? And in your cover letter, you repeat that and you make sure that you match your skills with what they need. Instead of, I love creating and I'm the right fit for you, write something like, I can create designs and images to attract clients and help you grow your business. What's in it for them? If you want to know more tips to help you be the top-notch freelancer and earn more money, stay tuned till the end because I have something. Step number 4, get hired. Yay, you won the job. The client has chosen you. Well done you. But now, here's what's important. You have to over-deliver. You have to deliver and be the best that you can. Deliver the best that you can. Why? Remember, there's a lot of competition out there and you need, in one of the next steps, an amazing reviews and feedback. So over-deliver. Do your best. Step number 5 is getting paid. Now, there's a few things here. You can get paid by the hour, such as consulting or coaching, you get paid by the hour, or you can get paid by a project, like finish this logo, or finish this design, or finish this creation. Also, Upwork charges you a fee of 20%. So up to $500, you have to give 20% to Upwork. Afterwards, it goes down to 10%. That's important to keep in mind. As a beginner on Upwork, start with a low rate. I started at 20 or 25 bucks an hour, and that's okay. You're a beginner, you have to build up jobs, you have to build up reputation. So be smart, be strategic, and start at a low rate, and then you can increase the more jobs, the more reputation you build. But also, I sometimes had a very low rate, but when I was in a conversation with the client, I negotiated, said, look, I can help you with this, I can also help you with that, but I need a higher rate. And while I was talking with the client, we mutually agreed and I got paid much more. So keep that in mind, that even if you put a lower rate and you get hired, you can still negotiate the price with your client. Step number 6 is get reviews. Get feedback, get those 5 stars everywhere. This is so important to build your reputation. The more jobs you have, the more successful completions of jobs, you always ask for feedback and ask for a testimonial, and those 5 stars will attract so many more clients. I actually applied for a few jobs in the beginning. After that, jobs just came to me. I got invited for jobs. Look, this is my profile. You can see these 5 stars. Now, in the beginning, I applied for a few jobs, just like I mentioned in the previous step. And after that, I got a few 5-star reviews. Now, I get invited for jobs. I never go on Upwork to search for a job. I get invited for jobs, and then I can be selective and say, yeah, I want to do that, or no, I don't want to do that. So make sure that you build a reputation, that you land those 5-star reviews. And that is something then in step 7, it gets so much better because you can rinse and repeat and get paid even more. The more jobs, the more you can raise your prices, the more you can earn and become rich. But also, the more jobs, the better you get at your skills. And soon you'll be able to use your skills to land higher in demand and higher paid jobs. Now, what are those skills, you wonder? Make sure you watch this next video in this series, and I'll see you there.